My name is Dhruvan Maurya. I am studying in Mont. We are here to conduct the assembly today. Let us begin with prayer. Guru Vishnu, Guru Deva, Maheshwaraga, Guru Sakshat, Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha. Thank you, friends. Now I call Ismaya for with the report. Everyone, my name is Vismaya. I am today.
Today is 26 today.
Yes, 26 September.
Today the weather is
Today's weather is cloudy.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Next I call Sahana
Next, I call Sahana
for the day.
for
Thought.
thought for the day.
Good.
My name is Sahana. Thought for the day. Honesty is the best policy. Thank you. My friends,
What phonic sound?
for phonic sounds.
Hold your hands. Lips.
Apple. Banana. Cup.
Doll.
Doll. Egg. Extra. Fish.
These are
Cat.
the I sound.
Friends, next I call my friends for stories. Fantastic rock. One day, my father was
Thunder.
very thirsty. Look for water here and
Alisa.
there. He saw a pond with very little water. He could not reach the water. So he thought an idea. He collected some pebbles and dropped them into the pond one by one. A water came up, crawled in the water, and flew away happily. And for that, we must use the word common sense.
Thank you.
Thank you.